As of December 2025, the primary method to safeguard your WhatsApp chats on iPhone is through iCloud. First, ensure iCloud Drive is enabled in your iPhone's settings. Tap your name, then iCloud, and toggle on iCloud Drive. Next, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, and select Chat Backup. Here, you can tap Backup Now to immediately create a backup. For automatic backups, you can choose daily, weekly, or monthly schedules. Keep in mind that including videos will increase the backup size. Your WhatsApp backups are incremental, meaning only changes are saved to conserve iCloud storage. Since late 2024, these backups are end-to-end encrypted by default, ensuring your data remains private and secure. Remember to safeguard your 64-digit encryption key generated during setup, as it's essential for restoring your chats. Note that iCloud offers 5 gigabytes of free storage, but you may need to upgrade for larger WhatsApp backups. Restoring your WhatsApp messages from an iCloud backup is straightforward. If setting up WhatsApp on a new iPhone, you'll be prompted to restore chat history from iCloud during the initial setup process. If you're already using WhatsApp on your iPhone, you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the app. During the setup process after reinstallation, you'll be given the option to restore from your iCloud backup. To initiate the restore manually, navigate to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, Restore in WhatsApp. Enter your 64-digit key to unlock the end-to-end encrypted data. If you lose your key, this could render your data unretrievable. It's crucial to regularly back up your WhatsApp data to prevent data loss due to device issues or app updates. Be aware that you can only restore your WhatsApp backup to another iPhone. Restoring to an Android device directly isn't supported.